Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome to the family, and for all my subscribers, thank you so much for the continuous support. Guys, in this video today, I'm just outside cleaning, guys, because it really needed it, especially this side right here, and I'm putting up actually a temporary line right here, guys, as well, because as you know, my machine is down. It's washing but it's not ringing, so therefore sometimes we just want something to dry quickly. So I'm putting up a line right here so that we can do that. I am actually gonna get a T mech, guys, so I can actually fit a line nicely here. So when that is made, you will get to see that. But for right now, this line is just temporary, guys. So yeah, so inside too I'm gonna be cleaning, guys, but the inside of my house is clean because the kids just do the chore. So basically all I gotta do is mop inside, guys, and return the rug that I took up and wash, because right now I have it there drying because outside it's hot and nice. So it's already dry, but just wanted it to get a little bit more sun, so I have it there as well. We will see in a minute. So guys, yeah, enjoy the video.
You are so heartless, and you don't care, and I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care, and I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in it deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep, and you know that it's all that I need. So don't leave me alone. Can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep, and you know that it's all that I need. So don't leave me alone.
Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? Nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? So I break these walls and hold my head up high, and I step my ground until the day I die. As the rain falls down, there's no more tears to cry, tears to cry. So I break these walls and hold my head
are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. I know it's reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerously close and I keep going on. You keep me fading, and I don't care. 'Cause I want everything that I've been running from. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la.
Hey guys, I'm realizing that the clothes is actually touching the house and you don't want that, so I am just making we would just call a chop up just to chop the line away from the house so that the clothes won't blow on the house, guys. So you will see how I'm gonna police it.
La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, don't leave me alone.
Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? Nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? So I break these walls and hold my head up high, and I step my ground until the day I die. As the rain falls down, there's no more tears to cry, tears to cry.
Yeah guys, so I'm finished. That's the mat that is drying, guys, so soon to place back inside on the floor. Guys, out here looks so much better than it was, guys. So much better. I'm so proud of myself, guys. Looking at this line just remind me of home in St. Vincent, because home, guys, we have the outside line just built like they say, that kind of way, and it just remind me of home, guys. The real thing, this little corner just remind me of home. So guys, I'm so proud of myself for getting up and getting out here and finally cleaning up this side, guys. So I'll just be maintaining it from now, guys. You know, when you're busy and you don't be home, and then when you come home you already got other things to do, you don't get to go outside and do this. So I'm so happy that I got to do it, guys. Yeah,
So I break these walls and hold my head up high. No, I'm not giving in. No, I'm not giving in. No, I'm not giving in. No, I'm not giving in.
alright guys, So as I mentioned earlier, the inside is already tidy. The kids did their chore and so forth, so the house is quite clean. So I want to return the rug back in its position here, guys. So I'm gonna quickly mop in the living room here and also mop all over the house, get it all freshly smelling, guys. I just love a clean house, guys. So guys, I hope so far you have still sticking with me watching this video, and I hope it's also motivating you to get up and get in your house and do what you have to do, guys. It's always good to have a clean home. You know, if anybody stop across, you know, your house clean, and when you're in a clean house, it just feels so much better. So I hope I am motivating you to get up and get yours done.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. I know it's reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerously close and I keep going on. You keep me fading, and I don't care. 'Cause I want everything that I've been running from. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, no, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, don't leave me alone. You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. I know
guys, so we are all done, guys. The inside and the outside of this house is clean, and I'm feeling so good about that, guys. If you have stuck around this far, thank you guys for the support. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, to share and to comment down below, guys. Let's communicate and let's keep motivating each other.